Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Okay. In previous class, we discussed about averages, exercise 6.2, sixth problem. Yes, am I right, children? Did you try? Next is seventh one. Did you try? Seventh one. Anybody got answer? No. Seventh one. Okay. Now I am going to explain seventh problem. Listen carefully, children. Next, eighth problem is homework. Some are children did not send me. Okay. So once again, I am explaining seventh problem. Next, eighth problem, that is homework for you. You complete and send me, children. Next, revision exercise also homework for you. Revision exercise and next, fill in the blanks also. You complete fill in the blanks. You complete in your textbook. Revision exercise problems you complete in your running notes. Okay. Then sixth unit completing and next tomorrow next unit I will explain. First exercise 6.2. Seventh one. What is seventh one? The average weight of 4 boys is 37.5. Is 37.5 kilograms. Weight given na? Measurement of weight is kilograms, grams. If another boy of weight another boy of weight 34.5 kilograms. Joins them. What would be the average what would be the average weight of the 5 boys? Okay. First, what given in question? See once. First of all of you listen. First, the average weight of 4 boys. 4 boys weight average given. Average of weight of 4 boys. Average given here. Average weight of 4 boys given. Next, another boy weight also given. Another boy weight given. Another boy weight given. Joins them. What would be the average of weight of the 5 boys? Here we have to find out average weight of the 5 boys. Here 4 boys average given and another boy also added here. So here number of boys 5. So first of all, what given in question? Write down first. First, the average of 4 boys. The average of weight of 4 boys. 37.5 kilograms. Here first, the average weight of 4 boys. The average weight of 4 boys given. So we have to write first step, the average weight of 4 boys. Next, another boy added here. Another boy weight also given. The weight of another boy. That another boy is fifth boy. Fifth boy. 4 boys already given and fifth boy also given. The fifth boy weight given, not average. Only weight given. The weight of another boy. Another means fifth. $34.5. What would be the average weight of the 5 boys? You are asking average only. We have to find out average only. Average weight of the 5 boys. You are asking 5 boys average. 5 boys weight average. You are asking. The average weight of 5 boys. Here average weight of 4 boys given. Next fifth boy weight given. Here average given and here weight. Weight of the another boy, fifth boy. Another boy weight given. Next here we have to find out average weight of 5 boys. 5 boys. So first of all we have to find out sum of the weights of 4 boys. Sum of the weights of 4 boys. Sum of the weights of, because of your average given and number of boys also we have. So we have to find out first sum of the weights of 4 boys equal average into number of boys. Average into number of boys. What is the average? The average of weight of 4 boys 37.5. 37.5 kilograms into number of boys. Yes, 4 boys. So we have to write 4 boys. So what is the answer? 4 5s are 20. Next 4 7s are 28. 28 to 30.51. Next 4 3s are 12. 12 3 15. 150 kilograms. 150.0 means 150 only. 150 kilograms. Next now here sum of the weights of 4 boys given. We have to find out already. Here find. Next about the weight of another boy also is there. 4 boys weight we find here, and next fifth boy weight also is there. So here the average weight of 5 boys. How can we find out? This is sum of the weights of 5 boys by number of boys. The average weight of 5 boys equals sum of the weights of 5 boys by number of boys. Number of boys. Here sum of the weights of 5 boys. sum of the weights of 5 boys means here 4 boys weights here we find already. Next fifth boy also you know already in problem only given. So we have to add 4 boys weight and fifth boy also weight. Fifth boy weight also. Fine. 150 kilograms plus fifth boy weight is 34.5. 34.5 kilograms by number of boys. Now 5. 5. 4 boys weight. We already find out. Next, fifth boy weight also, you know, in problem already given. So we have to add 4 boys. Board is not clear. Here clear only boy. Once you log out and log in. Satvik ready. Once you log out and log in. Check once your mobile problem, I think. Okay, 150 kilograms plus 34.5 kilograms. Add. One hundred and 54.0, 34.5. 5, 4, 8, 1. Okay. 184.5 kilograms by 5. Do division. Do division and say the answer. 184.5 by 5. Say anyone. 184.5 divided by 5. Shall I do? 5. 5 3 is 15. 34. 5 6 30. Then 4. 5 9 is 45. 0. 36.9. Okay, 36.9. 9 kilograms. What is this? The average weight of 5 boys. The average weight of 5 boys. What would be the average weight of the 5 boys? The average weight of 5 boys equal 36.9 kilograms. Okay, first in problem what given, once you observe and write. First you understand this problem first of all. And what given, you have to write with steps. First step, the average weight of 4 boys given. So first of all we have to write the step. The average weight of 4 boys. Next, fifth boy, another boy. Fifth boy also weight given. So the weight of another boy, that another boy is fifth boy. That's why the weight of another fifth boy equal 34.5 kilograms. Now we have to find out here average weight of the 5 boys. 4 boys average given and 5 boys average here we have to find out. Then what we do first of all? First of all we have to find out sum of the weights of 4 boys. Sum of the weights of 4 boys. How can we find out average into number of boys? The average already given. That is 37.5 kilograms. 37.5 kilograms into number of boys. Here given 4 boys only. That's why we have to write number of boys here 4 only. Then we get answer 150 kilograms. This 150 kilograms is sum of the weights of 4 boys. Sum of the weights of 4 boys. Next fifth boy also weight you know. Add to this one. Then the weight of sum of the weights of 5 boys weights you know. What is that? 184.5 kilograms. Here 184.5 kilograms. That is sum of the weights of 5 boys. Sum of the weights of 5 boys and number of boys 5. Number Number of boys, you know, and some of the weights of 5 boys also, you know. Then we have to find out average. How can we find out average? Parne Harshit, look at the board. Okay, how can we find out average? Just sum of the weights of 5 boys, sum of the quantities by number of quantities. Sum of the quantities here, what is quantities? Weights of 5 boys. Sum of the weights of 5 boys by number of boys. That is 184.5 by 5. Then we get answer 36.9 kilograms. Okay, the average weight of 5 boys equal 36.9 kilograms. Did you understand, Amma? Same like 7th problem only. 6th problem only. Same like 6th problem only. Okay. Next, 8th problem. Did you understand first of all? Say children first. Understand. If you have any doubt, ask me. Raise your hand in your mobile on this one problem. Next on this average unit also. Kamampati Harshat. Do you have doubt? Okay. Okay, ask boy. In your mobile, keep it unmute and ask. Okay.
Teacher. 7th problem ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి టీచర్.
7th problem. Oh, okay. This problem only. Yes, boy?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, I will explain. Next, Revelli Sanjay. What is your doubt, Amma? In your mobile, keep it unmute. Revelli Sanjay. Okay. In your mobile, keep it unmute. Sanjay.
Again explain, teacher.
Okay. Once again, I will explain. Next, anybody? Next, one more boy. Who's this one? 1KK4TATGH. What is your name? Write your name, boy, first. Okay. Here first read the problem first of all. What given in problem? Average weight of 4 boys. Yes, average weight of 4 boys. I written first step that one only. Next, another boy weight also given. Another boy weight also given. That is 5th boy weight. Here 5th boy weight is 34.5 kilograms. 4 boys weight average is average. This is average. This is weight. Here average weight. This is weight of 5th boy. Okay. Next step is the average weight of 5 boys. 4 boys weight average given, but 5 boys weight average here we have to find out. How can we find out first? First 4 boys weight. How much? First we have to find out. First 4 boys weight of 4 boys how much? We don't know. Not given here. Just average only given. So how can we find out that one? Average into number of boys. Here average is 37.5 kilograms. Next number of boys are here 4. So we have to find out. How can we find out? Average into number of boys. 37.5 into 4. We get answer 150. 150 kilograms is the total weights of 4 boys. 4 boys weight. Individually not. Total weight of 4 boys. Total weight of 4 boys this is. Now then we can find out the average weights of 5 boys. Here find out the average weights of 4 boys. 5 boys, sorry. 4 boys weights given and 5th boy weight also given. 4 boys weights also given and 5th boy weights also given. Then we can find out easily the average weights of 5 boys. How can we find out? Sum of the weights of 5 boys. 5 boys weights, where is there? 4 boys weight we already find out and 5th boy weight also is there. These two one you add first. 4 boys weights. Next 5th boy weight. Add. that is 184.5 kilograms. Next, number of boys. So, number of boys are 5. Here 4 boys weight find out, then 4 boys only. But here asking in question 5 boys weight, average weight of 5 boys. That's why we have to write here 5 boys. Then we have to do division. Then we get answer 36.9 kilograms. 36.9 kilograms is average weight of 5 boys. Average, not total. Total is 184.5. But average is 36.9 kilograms. Next, that is only answer. Still now anybody have doubt? Ask. Did you understand? Reveli Sanjay and Kamampati Harshad? No doubt. Okay, next. Once I will explain 8th one, children. Once I will explain 8th one. Once you listen first of all. Okay, listen carefully. The average of 3 numbers is 16. Then find out the sum of the quantities of sum of the numbers of 3. Sum of the 3 numbers. How can we find out? Average into number of numbers. 16 into 3. Then we get 48. Next, the average of another 4 numbers also. Okay, I will explain. First listen this one. Okay, the average of another 4 numbers. Another 4 numbers, same we have to find out same. Average into number of numbers. That is average is 23. 23 into 4. We get 92. 23 4s are 92. Yes. Next, find the average of all 7 members. Average of 7 members. 7 members average, how can we find out? Sum of the quantities by sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Sum of the numbers are this 48, means 16 is a 48. That is plus next 92. Added, both numbers added. Then we will get answer 140. 140 number of boys. These 3 members and that 4 members. 3 plus 4 is 7. 140 by 7. Then we will get answer 20. Okay, just you have to write same in this only and do that problem. Then if you have any doubt, ask me. First try to do your own, children. You're not trying. Some children are not trying. Listening and living. Don't live. Without practice, you cannot do mathematics. So practice well, first of all. Then if you have any doubt, you ask me. Okay. Next revision exercise problems also you complete, children, and fill in the blanks also you complete. Next, in tomorrow class, I will explain speed, time and distance. Okay. In average unit, if you have any doubt, you call me. Now I will explain about worksheet. Once take out the worksheet, children. And day 1, day 2. First, day 1. And look at the abacus and find the numbers by counting the beads. Here, abacus are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. First one already given. Example 1 given for you. Next, first one and second one. 2 problems are given here. 2 abacus are there. In abacus, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands places, some beads are there. Okay, in ones place, some beads and tens place. On your videos, Amma, Reveli Sanjay and Kamampati Harshad, on your videos, page number 7. And in ones place and tens place and hundreds place and thousands place, what is there once you write in? That is, what is that number and number name? Write down. Next, same second one also. Next, write any 5 4-digit numbers and show on abacus. Now here abacus given, you have to write numbers from abacus. But you prepare the abacus. You draw the abacus. Your own numbers, 4-digit numbers. You take your own 4-digit numbers and you show on abacus. You draw your own abacus here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to write in down abacus. You have to write numbers also. Okay. Next, day 2. day to first one. Complete the following. Standard form equal to expanded form. We can write a number in its expanded form as follows. Here first one expanded form given. Next remaining ones also you have to complete this one. What is that? Expanded form. Expanded form. Write in expanded form. Next, the predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before. Predecessor number means before number. Successor means after number. Here given only predecessor. Write before number of given number. Okay. Here given number 5682. You have to write before number of 5682. Okay. That is 5681. Right, before numbers. Next bit is before numbers. First bit is expanded form. Day two none. This one. Okay. Day 2. Day 1 only about given abacus. Next day 2 given. Here first bit is expanded form and second bit is predecessor number of given number. Right. Predecessor means before number. Right. Before number of given number. One example also given for you. Next. Prithvik ready? You have doubt. Okay. In your mobile, keep it unmute and ask one. What is your doubt? Prithvik. In your mobile, keep it unmute.
Sir, predecessor is there, not teacher.
Once again ask.
Predecessor is there, not teacher.
Predecessor.
That one doubt, teacher.
Predecessor means before number, boy. Just you have to write before number. Enough.
Okay, teacher.
Here given 4830. You have to write before number of 4830. Before number of 4830 is 4829. 30 before number. 30 minus 1. What is that?
Okay, teacher.
Minus 29. So,
Okay.
4829 is before number of 4830. Just predecessor means before numbers. You have to write just before numbers. This bit is before numbers. Predecessor means before numbers. Next, how can we get before numbers? Just you subtract 1 from given number. Yes, children? You subtract
Okay, teacher.
1 from given number. Then we will get predecessor number. If you add to given number, then we will get successor number. Okay. Next, first bit is expanded form. Kale Rakshya, do you have doubt, Amma? Yes? Okay. Ask fast. Akshaya. In your mobile, keep it unmute. Yes, what is your doubt? Ask loudly. First, in your mobile, keep it unmute. Ask fast, Amma. Akshaya. I am not visible to me. Okay, you call me then. Okay, no? Afterwards, you call me. Then I will clarify your doubt. Your voice is not coming for me. First, what is the problem? I don't know. I think in your mobile only. No, Kale Rakshya. Kale Rakshya asking doubt, but voice not coming in her mobile only. Okay, children. I hope you understand about worksheet and averages. About averages, exercise 6.2, 7th problem also. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Very good, children. In our class today, 30 members present. Very good. Excellent, children. Photo दिया इधर participants. Hmm.